Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make salmon with lemon cream sauce.
Salmon with lemon cream sauce will definitely impress your guests, and it's also easy enough for a weeknight meal. The salmon is seared to perfection, and the cream sauce is rich, creamy, and I guarantee you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started.
Here I have a little over 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet that I divided into 4 portions, and I'm going to season them well on both sides with salt and pepper. And I'm going to use my hand to gently press down to help the seasoning adhere to the fish. I'm going to flip the fillets over to season the other side. And if you don't like salmon, you can use any type of fish that you prefer with this recipe. But we are big fans of salmon in this house. I have my pan heated over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to sear the salmon. You want to sear them skin side up, and depending on the thickness, it'll roughly take about 4 minutes per side, give or take. Whoops, I guess I didn't space this out right. I'm going to have to squeeze this last one in, because you never want to move the salmon just right after you've added them in. I'm going to go ahead and flip each piece over and sear for another 4 minutes. This dish really comes together very quickly, and like I mentioned before, you can make it over the weekend and it's fancy enough to impress company, or you can make it during a regular weeknight at home. Now the fish fillets are completely cooked through, I'm going to remove, set them aside, and wipe my pan clean. Now over medium heat, I'm going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Now that the butter is melted, I'm going to add in 4 minced garlic cloves. And I'm just going to cook it down for about 30 seconds or so. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You want to start off with 2 tablespoons and adjust it according to your taste. I love the lemony flavor, so I've added 3 tablespoons total. This sauce is so delicious. It's creamy, it's tangy, and it goes well with any type of protein. If you don't like fish, you could substitute it with shrimp, or you can even use it with chicken. I've seasoned the sauce with salt and pepper, and I'm going to bring it to a boil and let it continue to cook over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's slightly thickened. Quick little funny story about this video. I had completely edited it and it was ready to be uploaded, and I had made the mistake of keeping my laptop open. And an hour later, I caught my 3-year-old pressing all kinds of buttons, and I was like, oh no. Long story short, he had erased my voiceover. So note to self, next time I'm done editing, close my laptop. Hey, it happens. So now I'm just spooning some of the sauce over the salmon, and then I'm gonna remove it from heat. And here's the final presentation. I like to garnish it with some lemon wedges. Some suggestions to serve this with is some rice or some mashed potatoes, or maybe some pasta with some vegetables on the side. This does make a good amount of sauce, and my kids love to spoon some of the sauce over rice. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. And it's perfect. Nice and seared on the outside, and soft, tender, and flaky on the inside. Cheers, you guys. Yum, the sauce is so good. It's creamy, velvety, and slightly tangy. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. All right, it's lunchtime. I'm going in for more.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more simple and delicious recipes, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.